Hey, it's Craig from OCR Aviation. I have Miguel, our lead supervisor. We got the opportunity today to do a dual mission. We're going to head over to Flabob Airport. We're going to look at some parts that we may be purchasing and some that we're picking up. And also we have the opportunity to tour a DC-3. Thought that'd be a great opportunity to use the King Air to fly out there and bring you guys along for the ride. So let's jump in and go for it. Let's go.
Charlie Romeo, runway 30 cleared for takeoff.
30 cleared for takeoff, 0 Charlie Romeo.
KLGB 91,
right.
King Air rolling down, runway 30 clear to land.
Go to the right, avoid the bumps. You guys ready?
Let's
roll.
Governor, Palm Beach Tower, clear start 126 November, Golf ILS 30.
Airspeed's alive. Power set.
Second.
80 knots.
Clear start 126 November, Golf ILS 30. Number 6, Whiskey, flight direct to the numbers, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Rotate.
Flight direct to numbers and clear land for 26
Positive rate.
Whiskey. Number 126, number Golf, Long Beach,
SoCal 90, 0 Charlie Romeo is 2,000 for 3,000, turn it 200.
November 980 Charlie Romeo, SoCal departure, radar contact 118, 6,000.
6,000, 0 Charlie Romeo.
So pretty up here.
It is nice.
And I'm not sure you got that, it was 6,000 for 0 Charlie Romeo.
0 Charlie Romeo, affirmative 6,000. 0 Charlie Romeo, turbulence heading 160, vector for your climb.
1600 Charlie Romeo. Like, why is an airport named Flabob?
Isn't it the person?
Turns out, two gentlemen that bought it were Flavio and Bob.
Yeah.
So they named it Flabob.
Yeah.
Pretty solid.
Didn't they break up?
I don't know if they
the
broke
end,
up. I know.
They just kind of went their own ways.
But it wasn't. I think it changed ownership a couple times. But in
Yeah.
2000, I think was the current ownership.
We used to go over there a lot and it just walk around there and hang out. And there's a lot of, it just stayed in the old times.
Yeah.
They really never updated it, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
It's still one of the only airports you can still kind of walk to the diner and have some breakfast or lunch.
Yeah.
Go home.
Hopefully we have time to do that. We'll get some video of the good old airport food.
Yeah, the airport no one really goes to, I guess.
Contact approach 135.4.
Okay, we'll start to descent down to 3,500 for now, but no lower than 30 Charlie Romeo.
Charlie Romeo, Roger. Own navigation, and let's plan on talking to Riverside Tower. I'm going to put you on them here in about 5 miles.
Okay, sounds good. Airport King Air is descending out of 2,300. We're going to make a wide right downwind for runway 24. Airport's there. Good thing about a King Air is it allows you to come down pretty quick at a low speed. So we're now on a downwind. There's the hill, but we're just going to stay to the inside of that.
That's buzzy.
Flabob traffic, King Air is in a left downwind for runway 22. Flabob.
You'll see the DC-3 sitting right there, man, just about now.
500.
Yay! I'm so excited.
Base, runway 24, Flabob.
Flabob Express.
We're at Flabob Airport. What a weird name. We talked about it, but Flabob is named from Flavio and Bob, the original owners. Really cool airport, built in 1925. Has a asphalt runway, cement runway, but it does have a grass runway. But if you go on the AFD, it won't show it to you. I have been on it years ago. At that point, it was on the AFD. I think it's one of those things there, whether it's legal or not, I don't know. So we just stuck to the cement today. They talk about, I think they try and discourage people from landing on it, but I think a lot of the old timers still land on it. 1942 DC-3 built in Santa Monica, California. This airplane flew in the war, in World War II. Post-war, it flew for Pan Am Airlines. It's got the D-Day paint scheme, which is a beautiful paint scheme. We're going to take you inside and look at it. The inside's got airline seating or executive seating in the back to recognize that phase of its life. And then the cockpit is still built and looks like it did back in the military days. We're inside this DC-3. It's really cool. They've got old 737 seats that came out of a first class section of an old 737. And then in the front, they've got two, come up this slope, and notice the slope up this hill. The two couches that are belted, six passengers. So they use this airplane sometimes for, executive tours. They do a bunch of flying for, obviously, air shows, but that allows them to carry quite a few people. They have this, I don't know if you've seen it, this really cool original photo from World War II depicting, obviously, paratroopers getting ready to jump. I don't know if it's D-Day or not, but a really cool touch. Come through to the cockpit. And in the cockpit here, they've got it set up seat style of, back in the military days. So it's got two seats. It has an observer seat. The avionics, they've upgraded it, but I think they've done a really nice job of, six-pack style, obviously not the original for this airplane being from 42. And then they built, Aspen and an Avidyne. Did a good job of, and then they have another Avidyne here and the modern stuff to allow them to, make it easier for the pilots to do air shows and those types of things. Really, really nicely done. Got a mesh ceiling liner and side liner. A really, really cool view. I mean, it's really freaking cool to see from this cockpit. Just think about all the history of World War II and then post-World War II, all the things this particular airplane has seen, but all of them. It's funny, I've been around the DC-3s. I've just never had the opportunity to get in and actually sit in the cockpit. At air shows, I've done a little quick walkthrough. It is really, really cool. Now, here's what I'm telling you. The next time you see a DC-3 on our channel, we'll be flying it. I probably won't be flying it, but we'll be in it. We'll get some video from it in the air. That's my guarantee. We're going to show you this because this is a beautiful aftermarket built by Garza Aviation. It's a drip pan specifically built and designed for the DC-3s because they're notorious for leaking oil. It's a strap-on pan that's canted down with a hole that drains into an oil can. Keeps the ground beautiful. And like Miguel said earlier, if DC-3s aren't leaking, it means they're out of oil. That's the only time they stop leaking. So that's a really cool design that I from what I understand, a bunch of the DC-3 operators have bought them and then saved their ramps.
Some on these have an expander tube. So just a big tube around this drum right here. When you hit the brakes,
so it pushes them out?
Pushes out on the, I think there's expander tubes and also some that have pucks and do about the same thing.
That is a big tire.
Yes.
Oh, sure.
And do that tire, to change that tire is about a 4-hour job.
Right.
And it takes two guys.
Two guys. Put a jacket here, jack it up. 4 hours, you said?
Yeah.
I can't imagine that tire is not cheap. You weren't lying.
No way.
What am I supposed to do with that? Ham and egg and avocado.
Well, that was a blast. Flabob Airport, DC-3's, Beech-18s, all kinds of other stuff. Thanks for setting that up, Miguel. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We enjoyed it. It's a little warm now, as you can tell. We got here in the morning and it's warmed up pretty good. But we're gonna head back to Long Beach. We're gonna do a little downwind departure, stay out of the class Delta of Riverside, and then head back into Long Beach. Flabob traffic, King Air is gonna take runway 24 for departure. Will be a left downwind departure. We'll wait on the incoming traffic.
Yeah, sir.
We're left downwind. We'll wait for you to come on in if you're the airplane coming in.
Yeah, affirmative. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Flabob, Cherry 76 uniform. I can actually join that left base, make it quicker for you.
Okay, we'll take the runway now, and we'll make it a wide left downwind to stay out of your way as well.
Thanks, sir. No worries. I'm coming in just from the base. It's all yours.
I got you inside. All right. You guys good?
Yes, sir. Ready.
All right, here we go. Trim, flap, flaps. Airspeed's alive. Go 10 flaps. 70 knots.
Flabob, Travis, Cherry 76 uniform, turning final.
Great. Flabob, traffic King Air's in the left crosswind. Flabob. SoCal King Air 980 Charlie Romeo VFR request.
Air 980 Charlie Romeo, SoCal approach.
We're a BE-9 Tango Slant Golf just off of Flabob. Like to get flight following back to Long Beach at, let's say, 6,500. So that was a fun trip. Really great to get in a couple DC-3’s.
Thank you.
Look at all those airplanes. Flabob is a lost gem of an airport. Great food too, by the way.
You want a good burger, good torta? Flabob.
Yeah. I would say we ate up a good chunk of the day, but it was absolutely worth it.
Yes. You could probably spend the whole week there and learn a lot.
Yeah.
Flying and on working on these.
Yeah.
November 980 Charlie Romeo, contact tower 19.4. We'll see you.
I will see you. Thanks for help, Charlie Romeo. Long Beach Tower 980 Charlie Romeo for 26 left.
Number 980 Charlie Romeo, Long Beach Tower, make straight in runway 26 left, and at the, actually on a 4-mile final, start reducing speed for sequence.
Okay, straight in for 26 left, and we'll start slowing down, 0 Charlie Romeo.
Miguel, did the bumps scare you?
Number 37.
They make me uncomfortable sometimes.
2 miles on the downwind extending.
This is kind of, I'm used to that. It's the ones up where you're just cruising and hang on.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 4340, holding
I'm a wuss.
26 left, left crossing over that way, River.
4340, Long Beach Tower.
At least you own it.
Runway 26 left, there, 4 takeoff.
I'm not afraid to say that.
Takeoff.
November 0 Charlie Romeo, traffic on a mile final for 30 Cessna will precede you through the intersection, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 left, traffic inside, 0 Charlie Romeo.
Number 139er, your base turn now approved. Traffic will depart 30 prior to you. 737 additional traffic will be in position 30, runway 26 left. Go for the option.
Option for 26 left, turn base now, 139er.
November 37 X-ray, left turn Delta 4, final ground.
Delta 4 over the ground, 37 X-ray.
Number 340, contact SoCal Park, Thursday flight.
Echo holding short, 26 left. Straight out.
November 340, contact SoCal departure, upside flight.
Contact departure, good day, 340.
Number 37 X-ray, frequency change approved, good day.
Change approved, good day, 37 X-ray.
November 291 Mike Echo, Long Beach Towers, stand by.
Stand by, 1 Mike Echo.
November 0 Charlie Romeo, left turn, Foxtrot 4, kind of ground.
Fox 40 ground, Charlie Romeo, thanks.
Number 1 Mike Echo, you straight out approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, 1 Mike Echo.
All right, back here in Long Beach. It's cooler here in Long Beach. Luckily, I was able to run in, grab a Gatorade, change a shirt. It's definitely warm out in Flabob in the summer. Hope you guys enjoyed the flight. I haven't been to Flabob in a long time. Really cool airport, lots to see there. We were able to get our parts business done. If you're watching this video, you also have seen Virginia Ann on 30 Days of Planes. We got a great opportunity to get a tour of that. I really enjoyed it. Great DC-3, which was technically a C-47 when it flew for the US. Got converted back to a DC-3. Really enjoyed that. If you have any questions, aviation, anything in general, reach out to us on our website. Thanks for jumping in.